Well, the recent increase in subsidized fuel prices in Indonesia is sparking concerns that it could push up inflation, especially among food commodity prices, as it will make logistics and farming costs more expensive. Thus, to help manage the impact of higher fuel prices, the Indonesian government is making efforts to stabilize food prices by ensuring equal supplies of food commodities between different regions across Indonesia. Following the government's decision to raise subsidized fuel prices by up to 32%, many economists fear that inflation in Indonesia will go up higher than their previous estimates, possibly rising to 6 or 7% or even above. The most concerning is food commodity prices, which were already volatile and could see higher prices following the fuel price hikes that will make everything from logistics to farming more expensive. In a bid to tame higher prices in Indonesia, inflation control teams at the central and regional levels held a meeting in Surabaya, East Java, to synchronize and synergize their efforts in accordance with the Indonesian President Joko Widodo's directives. At the meeting, the coordinating Minister of Economic Affairs, Airlangga Hartarto, asked regional heads across Indonesia to strengthen cooperation amongst each other in stabilizing the price of food commodities, which has been volatile as of late, contributing greatly to inflation, and is thus one of the biggest drivers of poverty, making up 74% of the factors behind poverty. Meanwhile, as of March this year, the rising price of rice contributed 23% to poverty in villages and 19% to poverty in cities. Indonesia's Economic Affairs Minister also warned of the imbalance of supplies of various food commodities that are causing price volatilities. According to government data, the supply of chili is highly scarce in 17 provinces and moderately scarce in 10 provinces across Indonesia. In comparison, the supply of onions, chicken meat, and beef are at adequate levels across 34 provinces.
Sesuai arahan Bapak Presiden dalam Rakornas, ada beberapa hal yang harus dilaksanakan, yaitu memperluas kerjasama antar daerah, terutama untuk daerah surplus atau daerah defisit, dan selanjutnya melaksanakan operasi pasar guna memastikan keterjangkauan harga dengan melibatkan para stakeholder, terutama yang terkait dengan availability atau ketersediaan pangan dan stabilitas harga, dan yang utama adalah harga beras.
Meanwhile, Indonesia's Minister of Finance, Sri Mulyani, said that volatile food prices contributed greatly to inflation, rising over 11% in July compared to the previous year. As a result, Minister Sri Mulyani reiterated the importance of taming food inflation, especially since subsidized fuel price hikes could push it up even higher.
Jadi kalau seandainya tim pengelola pemantauan inflasi nasional dan daerah bekerja untuk menjaga harga makanan yang terutama diproduksi dalam negeri bisa, maka inflasi kontribusinya dari unsur makanan bisa lebih rendah. Inilah yang sekarang dilakukan, kenapa kemarin Bapak Presiden bertemu dengan seluruh gubernur, wali kota, bupati, dan juga hari ini Pak Menko, Gubernur BI, kita semuanya bertemu juga dengan pemerintah daerah untuk melihat setiap unsur yang bisa mengkontribusikan pada inflasi dan mencegahnya supaya tidak naik. Itu yang dilakukan sekarang.
In August, Indonesia's annual inflation came in at 4.69%. Volatile food prices rose even higher by 8.9%, although it was lower than it was in July at 11.47%.